You're probably wasting hundreds of dollars at Best Buy without even realizing it. That shiny display, that limited time deal, it feels like a steal. But most of the time, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you what not to buy at Best Buy and what to get instead so you keep more money in your pocket. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's fix your tech spending fast. First, let's look at laptops. Best Buy loves pushing premium laptops with flashy stickers and huge price tags. But here's the truth. Most people don't need a $1,500 machine for email, browsing, and Netflix. Instead, look for refurbished or last year's models online. Sites like Amazon, Renewed, or manufacturer outlets can save you $300 to $600 easily. Same performance, way less cost. Next, cables and accessories. This is where Best Buy makes serious profit. A $30 HDMI cable, a $40 phone charger. It's wild. Here's what to do. Buy generic brands from Amazon or even Walmart. A $10 cable does the exact same job. You're literally paying for packaging and placement in the store, nothing else. Now let's talk about TVs. Best Buy displays are designed to trick your eyes. Super bright, ultra sharp. It makes everything look amazing. But once you get home, it won't look the same. Instead, research before you go. Look up reviews on YouTube or sites like Artings. Then buy online during sales. You'll often find better prices and actual performance comparisons, not showroom illusions. Another big one, extended warranties. They'll offer it right at checkout. Sounds safe, sounds smart, but most electronics already come with a manufacturer warranty. And many credit cards add extra protection for free. So before you say yes, check what you already have. You could save $100 instantly by just skipping that add-on. Here's something people don't expect. Apple products. Best Buy rarely has the best deals on Apple. Instead, check Apple's own refurbished store. You get certified devices, new batteries, and full warranty. And you save a good chunk of money, sometimes $200 or more. Bonus tip, price match everything, always. Best Buy actually price matches competitors, but they won't tell you unless you ask. Pull up a cheaper price on your phone and show it. You could walk out paying way less for the exact same item. At the end of the day, Best Buy isn't bad. You just need to shop smarter. Know what's overpriced, know your alternatives, and never buy on impulse. If this saved you some cash, hit like. Subscribe for more smart tech tips on Tech Vibes. And drop a comment telling me the worst tech deal you've ever made.